If you have loads of jewelry lying around, I think I have the solution. I'm going to show you how to make a simple jewelry stand. No more tangles, no more worries. It's a very simple project. I'm using a piece of hardwood, a few copper fittings, and a few pieces of pipe. The first step we do is to mark and measure and drill a hole for the copper stem. So I've now marked my base and I'm going to be ready to drill my hole for my copper tree. We're now going to give it a light sand and a coat of clear varnish to protect the timbers and also to enhance it. So now that our base is complete, we can set this aside and start cutting our copper pipe. The first piece I'm going to cut is going to be the bottom piece. That's going to be the flared section to keep our stem sturdy. We're going to use the pipe cutter because the great thing about it is that it'll give you a nice clean cut. So now I've got my starting piece. I'm going to flare it. Once it's flared, I'm going to knock it in from the underside with a hammer. The flared section on the pipe is going to stop it from pulling through. Before we glue our T-piece on, I'm going to cut a few pieces of pipe and we're going to play around with it before we finalize our design. Now we're going to build up from here using T-pieces. To finish off, we're going to use the liquid sealant to fix it all together so our heavy bling doesn't fall off. We're going to put some end caps on, which you can find in the plumbing section in Bunnings. It will give it a really nice finish and also removes the sharp edges. Once the glue is dry, I'm going to finish it off with this polish. How easy was that? So we've taken it from this to this. So who would have thought a few plumbing parts would bring out something as flash as that?
Check out the Bunnings website for step-by-step instructions and all the tools and materials you need. Or you can keep on watching for more DIY projects and ideas.